Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I have a quick video walk around of this 1.5 hybrid Jazz SE. Now of course this is finished in one of the more popular colours, which is the platinum white. Now it does give the car a nice contrasting colour with all the gloss black as well that is on the car. You do get these 15-inch alloy wheels, steel wheels as standard. They do have the wheel trims on the outer edge, as you can see. These can be removed and have a different style applied if you would choose to do so, but like I say, they do come as standard. Round at the rear of the car, it is nice and simple. In the boot, we've got plenty of room in here as well. We've also got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats and a nice little parcel shelf just there to provide extra privacy in the boot compartment. Walking around the car now, just showing you the rear wheel here. In the back of the car, we do have your cloth grey with black exterior on the chairs. They are obviously as standard as well, fully cloth black and grey. We've got Isofix mounting points at the bottom, and we do also have full electric windows all round. In the front of the car, it is same as the rear. It has got contrasting seats as well. When we get to the central compartment, we have your brake hold and electric handbrake. We've got your ECON and then your eCVT gearbox just here. We've then got your climate control in the middle as well, which is single zone climate. We've then got your display over in the middle, which has your Bluetooth hands-free. It's also got your radio sources just here in FM, DAB, low wave, medium wave, and back to FM. We do also have Bluetooth and USB should you wish to use any of them. Over on the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left hand side. The home button and the bezel here controls your onboard computer. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free just below, and then we also have your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control over on the right. We've got your automatic headlights just here, along with your automatic windscreen wipers on the right. And as you can see, this car has only done 7,804 miles. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information regarding this Jazz SE, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.